You cannot cross that center line. You cannot touch your opponent. He doesn't have an opponent, so that won't be an issue. You can, however, when you're in an actual match, you can bob the log up and down. You can spin it forward or backward. You can splash water on your opponent. You just cannot touch your opponent, and you cannot cross that center line. But he's going to give us a little idea of what we mean. We'll watch and see what happens here. Here we go. This will be a little bit of log rolling. I have had several professional athletes, I mean the kind of athletes that make really big money, try this because they think it's easy, and they don't last more than 2 or 3 seconds like the average beginner would. So this right here, imagine a line going right down the center no matter what that log's doing.